Sensitive information ahead. You're about to witness the power of AI while it overtakes a $5 billion monopoly. Take a look at this. Yes, that's a payment of $386.34 that I just received directly in my bank account. Want to know what I did to get this? Well, nothing. Let me explain. I leveraged an AI natural language model, way better than GPT-4o, Gemini, 11 Labs, and others, to create and narrate audiobooks and podcasts for me. That's not all. I use the same app to market these audiobooks to thousands of active users in different niches. How? By using our groundbreaking app, Voyse AI. Voyse AI is the only app on the market that'll allow you to turn a URL, website, blog, text, article, PDF, Word document, or even a keyword into high-quality audiobooks, podcasts, or voiceovers without you doing anything. That's right. No writing scripts, no recording anything, and no researching anything. And all it takes is 30 seconds or less. How? By leveraging an AI natural language processor 10 times better and faster than GPT-4o, Gemini, 11 Labs. But that's not all. With Voyse AI, you'll be able to publish your audiobook to our built-in marketplace with tons of active members. This will allow you to start selling your audiobooks and keep 100% of the profit. And if you're thinking, why would you even create an audiobook? Let me tell you this. The audiobook industry is estimated to be worth over $5 billion, and it's growing every single day. It's an underestimated gold mine, and today you have the chance to capitalize on it with Voyse AI. Here, let me show you how powerful it is. I was able to personally generate $2,835.23 in just 10 days from selling audiobooks inside the built-in marketplace. And I get regular sales like this. The best part? Voyse AI handles the heavy lifting. No technical skills required. I didn't have to pay for ads, write scripts, or market the audiobook. Voyse AI does that for me on autopilot. But it's not just me. Many of our active members are using Voyse AI to generate audiobooks, podcasts, and VSLs, with several even turning it into a significant income stream. And here's the beauty of it. With Voyse AI, you get to choose from over 660 different human-like voices and accents, with the feature to control the pitch, tempo, effects, and volume. But it gets better. Voyse AI doesn't restrict you to English only. Unlike anything on the market right now, Voyse AI gives you 80+ different languages to choose from. This means you can conquer and dominate any market with ease without paying monthly or dealing with any technical mumbo-jumbo. Oh, and before I forget, you can also record your very own voice, and Voyse AI will mimic it and generate any audiobook you want with your own voice. How cool is that? Voyse AI is not all about audiobooks. It can do so much more than that. You can use Voyse AI to create your own podcasts that you can publish to any platform you want, e.g. Spotify, Audible, YouTube, Apple Podcasts, etc., or to our built-in marketplace. You can use Voyse AI to generate ad voiceovers, courses voiceovers, webinar voiceovers, VSLs voiceovers, podcasts, audiobooks, and much more. Basically, if you want to narrate anything with a 100% human-like voice, then Voyse AI is for you. And here's the kicker. Voyse AI will even write all the scripts for you, for your ads, courses, VSLs, and more, using the built-in Siri-like voice command. You just tell it what you want to promote or what you want to narrate, and it'll create the script for you with our AI model and narrate it for you. Voyse AI works for everyone, doesn't matter what you're trying to do online. It works for affiliate marketers, CPA marketers, e-com store owners, book publishers, product owners, coaches, video marketers, service providers, and hustlers who just want to make passive, stable income. You don't need any special skills or experience to use Voyse AI. As long as you can follow dead easy instructions, you're good to go. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with Voyse AI. Step 1, log in. Log into Voyse AI cloud-based app. Step 2, generate. Enter a keyword, article, PDF, website, or even a URL, and Voyse AI will turn that into a full audiobook or podcast. Step 3, publish. Publish your new audiobook to our built-in marketplace with thousands of users. Step 4, sell. It's that simple. I'm sure by now you're asking yourself, how much is this going to cost me? Look, I'm going to be honest with you. I can charge up to $1,000 for it. And considering that we have 0 competitors, we can get away with that. But not just because we don't have competitors, but because we can give real, tangible results. Voyse AI will pay for itself in just a few days. But the thing is, I make enough money using Voyse AI myself, and I'm going to continue to keep it up and running for many, many years to come. So I have no reason to overcharge you for it. So for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to Voyse AI for a fraction of the price, less than the price of a cheap dinner. This is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running Voyse AI, but here's the catch. We put a lot of effort and care into each customer of Voyse AI, which takes a lot of our time. So sadly, I'll have to limit the number of licenses I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $997 a month. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. Listen, right now you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you to help them finally break through, and in the unlikely event that you fail to use Voyse AI for any reason, we insist that you send us an email and we'll gladly refund you. It's simple. If you don't get results, we don't want your money. Not just that, we'll send you a bunch of extra software as a gift for wasting your time. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below to get instant access to Voyse AI, plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $10,000. I'll see you inside. Hello. In this demo video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how Voyse AI works, step by step. Voyse AI is the next-gen AI-powered app that instantly turns any URL, website, article, keyword, blog, or PDF into high-quality audiobooks or podcasts in 660 realistic voices in over 80 languages. Here's what makes Voyse AI a game changer. With Voyse AI, you can even use Siri-like voice commands to create audiobooks, podcasts, and voiceovers for VSLs, TV commercials, webinars, sales videos, and so much more, completely hands-free. And the best part, you can publish directly to our built-in marketplace, sell effortlessly, and receive instant payments via PayPal, Stripe, credit cards. Here's how it works. Step 1, click the project menu and select Create. Step 2, pick your project type, audiobook, podcast, voiceover, etc. Step 3, enter your project title, author name, and keyword, then click Next. Now comes the exciting part. Generating your content. Voyse AI gives you multiple options. You can create content from scratch, import Word documents and convert them to audiobooks or podcasts, turn any website URL, e-com store, blog, or pages into audiobook, voiceover, or podcast, upload PDF files and convert them instantly to voiceover. Use our built-in AI chatbot to auto-generate scripts by simply entering a keyword. Record your own voice and convert it to audiobook or podcast. Transcribe audio files into text and transform them into podcasts or voiceovers. As you can see, there's so much flexibility. For this demo, let's use the AI chatbot to generate content. Simply enter your keyword, click Generate Content, and you're good to go. Next, select your language. We support dozens of languages: English, French, Spanish, German, and more. Then choose your voice type, standard or AI voice. Pick your preferred speaker. You can preview them before finalizing. Here you can edit your content, adjust volume, tempo, add pauses, erase text, preview everything, and when ready, click Synthesize. And just like that, boom, your podcast is ready. Click play to listen and hear just how natural and human-like it sounds. Impressive, right? With just one click, you can download your audio or embed it anywhere, your website, blog, e-com store, by simply copy and pasting a single line of code. It's that simple. You can repeat the same steps to generate human-like natural voiceover and audiobook in any languages of your choice. But that's not all. Voyse AI also includes a built-in marketplace to sell your creations effortlessly. Publish your audiobook, podcast, or voiceover, set your own price. Accept payment via PayPal, Stripe, and credit card. Keep 100% of the profits, no hidden fees, no surprises. Plus, Voyse AI comes with an e-cover design tool, so you can create stunning professional covers for your audiobooks and podcasts right inside the app. Whatever you need, whether it's audiobooks, podcasts, or voiceovers for VSLs, TV commercials, webinars, sales videos, and beyond in any language, Voyse AI does it all. No API costs, no monthly fees, no tech headaches. This is truly the only app you need to start creating and selling high-quality audio content without paying a dime for external AI tools. Thank you for watching this demo. I can't wait to see you inside Voyse AI, where your voice-powered future begins.